Hi YouTube, I'm converting a van here. This is a 2011 Renault Master. I think it's medium wheelbase. So I'm sticking this plywood on the ceiling. This is 5mm hardwood, basic kind of ply you can get. So I want that in the ceiling there, nice and centered down the middle. And I want to show you this quick tip, quick things I made to hold it up. Now I'm doing this on my own, so ideally you'd have 2-3 people here helping you, but I want this in the center, and it's almost impossible to, you can lift it and kind of hold it up yourself. The ply is fairly light, but I've built these two. They're just kind of basically kind of 2x4s or 1x2s, whatever you have lying around, and they're just propping them up on the ceiling. So I found this a very handy trick, just to make 2 of these. Spent 2 minutes making these. Got some old hinges here, and got this nice just piece of wood I had lying around, and these are kind of trimmed at an angle, so they kind of just wedge in, and you can basically lift this up and hold it up, throw one of these in, and it makes it very easy to move it around. I can make sure that I have my measurements are the same on either side. They're nice and tight up at the end here, and this allows you to, you could install it right now. I'm going to install it up, and I'm going to make some pieces to go here, trim pieces to go here, and that way when I take it down, I'm going to sand it and oil it, and it'll go back up real easy. Yeah, so they're just kind of hinges here. If you could leave this, you don't have to put this piece in, but this piece will wedge into here, probably leave a dent. So this is probably what, just a few degrees. You kind of make this, you could make this however long you want for your vehicle. This is about just over 6 foot something or other, and then you kind of trim it up so that you don't want a great huge angle, but you don't want it too short either. So hopefully that's a good trick. I'm on my own here, so handy. You don't have to kind of lift it up on yourself and then you know, hold it yourself and break your back and lose your temper with it. So cool. All right, take care.